everyone, welcome back to Sun Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 31st of July to the 4th of August 2023 on Monday. The first plan backfires. MaMzobe want to meet the baby daddy. Nokubonga is starved of special privileges. Dinner at the Mthembu's 10 sour as Manzimande embarrasses Mlungisi on Tuesday. Difa is tired of all the probing by the family and opt to blurt out the truth on Wednesday. MaMzobe makes a plan to find Zodwa's baby dead while trying to win Difa back. Mabusi tells Pamandla the truth. Manzimande refuses to change her mind while Mashezi is happy at how things are turning out on Thursday. MaMzobe walks in victory as she thinks she and Difa are back together after spending the night together. Zodwa on the other side could use a break on Friday. MaMzobe's determination to help Zodwa by taking extreme measures pushes Difa to make a decision. Manzimande warns Pamandla about trusting Mlungisi while Mabusi is burdened and devastated. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.